Hi there, I'm Mark Matousek, and I'm very much looking forward to the Write for Life conference this September in Stockholm. I'm going to be offering a workshop called The Story of Your Life Making Sense of the Past and Present. Using my Writing to Awaken method, we're going to look into how our lives are shaped by meaning and why meaning is so central to understanding the stories of how we live, what matters to us, and where our creative edge is. This is going to be a transformational and deep workshop, and I hope very much that you'll be able to join us. I came to Sweden for the first time last year for the Write for Life conference and absolutely loved it. I found that people are very open and eager for self-discovery and creative growth. So I hope to see you in September. If you have any questions whatsoever about the workshop or about my work, don't hesitate to write to me, and I'll get back to you very soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.